In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos over your video in CapCut. So if you want to create an overlay effect where you have the video in the background and then a photo on top, well, the first thing we need to do is click Create Project, and then we're just going to import some video footage. So I'll just be using this video here as a demonstration, and I'm simply going to drag this into my timeline. So now that we have this video as the background, let's go and add our image. So click on Media in the top left-hand side and select Import. Now click on the Upload button and go and upload the image that you want to add as the overlay. Once you've added your image, we can drag this onto the timeline like so, and just make sure to drag this on top of the video file. And as you can see, this is now on top of the video. Now, obviously, we can no longer see the video as this image takes up the full screen. So what you'll need to do is use the scale tool in the right-hand side to go and reduce the size of your image. So now we can see the video in the background once again, and you can also reposition your image on the screen here. If you need to adjust the length of either the image or the video, then you can just drag the edges like so. And once you're happy with this, go and export your project. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.